What's up everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to be starting to modify the E92 M3. We are going to be working on the front end of the M3, and this video will be split into 3 different episodes because I have 3 different things that I want to do for the M3 on the front end. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do for the M3 is fix the fenders, because as you can probably see we have a bit of a gap on the fenders because the brackets are kind of broken on this side and also on this side as well. As you just saw, the fitment of the fenders is quite bad because both of the brackets are cracked, and that is a very common issue for the E9X chassis because the fenders are plastic and they just break easily. So I do have new fenders at home that just need to be painted, but I think instead of doing that now, because I want to paint the front bumper as well, I will just get everything painted at once, probably during winter. For now I just want to fix up these fenders so they look a lot better, and then during winter I will get the 2 new fenders painted, get the front bumper and maybe the hood as well painted, and it's gonna refresh the front end a lot more. I just don't see a point of doing it now during summer because it's gonna take about a month, I guess, to paint everything and get everything put on the car, and probably put PPF on it after as well, so I'm just going to leave that until winter. Once I already have the front bumper off, I want to take off the headlights and I want to modify the headlights as well. So maybe you know or you maybe don't know, but there is a common mod for the E92 or E9X chassis. You basically modify the headlights, you paint everything inside black, and you can modify the rings as well, just put in brighter, better rings, and that is what I'm going to be going for as well. I need to open up the headlights anyway because one of them is actually fogging up, so I need to reseal it, so I might as well modify them inside while I have the chance. So I'm going to modify the headlights and then reseal them. Then I will polish the headlights because I want to make them look brand new again, and I might put on some PPF after that as well. And then the third video I want to put on the GT4 lip on the E92 M3, and that is going to be the thing that will stand out the most. It is probably one of my favorite mods for the E92 M3. On the front end, when you put that GT4 lip on, it just makes the car look so much better. So with that being said, I'm going to make my way home, and then tomorrow morning I will start to disassemble the front end on the M3. I'm not sure exactly which mod is going to be in this video. It's either going to be modifying the headlights or fixing the fenders. I'm still waiting for something to arrive to fix the fenders, because I think I will be using some fiberglass on the inside to fix up the fenders and make them a lot stronger than they would be from factory. So if the fiberglass doesn't arrive by tomorrow, I will most likely start on the headlights, and then the next day the fiberglass should arrive and I will start doing the fenders. And then putting everything back together, I will put on the GT4 lip, and that's going to be the third video. So if you don't want to miss out on them 3 videos on the M3, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified whenever I upload the next videos on these mods. Alright, so as you've seen throughout the video, we managed to successfully modify the headlights on my E92 M3. The car is all put back together. I have the front lip on, the side fenders are fixed, and the headlights are modified. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what the car looks like with all the mods. But next week's video and the week after is going to be a video on fixing the fenders on the M3 and also putting the front lip on the M3 as well. I think it looks so much better now. I love the way the front lip looks, and the headlights that are modified just make the car look so much more aggressive in my opinion, and I really do like that look, and I have been wanting to do these mods for a long time. Even before I had an E92 M3, I wanted to do these mods on my M3 whenever I buy one, and the time has finally come. And in my opinion, as I said, the M3 looks so much better now. So as you can see, this is what the M3 looks like with the headlights, the front lip, and also as you can see, we have fixed the bumper and fender mounts. So there isn't a big huge gap over at the fender and bumper. So now it looks all good. I'm going to quickly turn on the angel eyes so you can see what they actually look like. So as you can see, with the angel eyes on, the front lip on the car, it just looks so much better. Really nice and aggressive in my opinion. That's the look I was going for. So if you want, check out my Instagram because I've uploaded some photos, and obviously on my story I'm more consistent on Instagram, so you can check out my Instagram. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen and it's going to be in the description as well. If you want to be up to date with the M3, all the mods I do and everything like that, just follow my Instagram and you will see everything a lot sooner before I upload anything on YouTube. With that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. In my opinion, this is a really nice mod for your M3 or just an E9X chassis. Blacking out the headlights and putting on angel eyes that are a lot nicer and brighter just make the car stand out a lot more. In my opinion, it makes it look a lot more aggressive, and I would hands down do this mod again. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, hit the bell notifications beside the subscribe button so you are notified whenever I upload my next videos. Next video is probably going to be fixing the fenders, and then the video after that is going to be putting on the front lip on the M3, and I will be doing another mod actually as well tomorrow, so that's going to be the following week. It's going to make the car look so much better as well. So without wasting any time, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully I'll see you in my future videos.